You know something, everyone goes through a different journey in life, and today our off-the-shelf guest shares his journey in the form of a book. I've always said everybody's reality is different, and here to tell us more is Andrew Folks. He's the author of Power of Pain. Morning, friend. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Not the first time we're meeting each other.
That's true.
But we met in different circumstances
That's
before.
true.
Great to see you.
Yeah,
The Power of Pain. True story?
Very true.
Everything?
Everything.
Wow. Why I asked that, because when I was reading the book, I saw we're in a gang in grade 7. Eh?
Yeah, by default,
By default, yeah. Guns and stuff in grade 7.
Grade 7 and 8 for me in high school was like a war zone. It was like Afghanistan, I was a very brilliant child because in 4th grade I actually won a essay competition, national essay competition. So I won for the parish of Clarendon. I passed GSAT with an average of 95. So I was very brilliant. I passed for Clarendon College.
So where you take the wrong road, or where the wrong road take you?
So I grew up feeling rejected, and for me in 7th grade it was trying to fit in. Joining the gang was me trying to fit somewhere. And so I just chose the wrong crowd, really. And so I held my first gun in 7th grade.
7th grade.
Passing GSAT with an average of 95, and I literally didn't go any class when I went to high school. My highest grade in a test was 29 in 7th grade. In 8th grade, I didn't get a report card. I was seen on the campus with a gun in 8th grade, so I had to be hiding from school, for like 4 weeks.
Yeah.
I was sought after.
I was going to go through everything, because I kind of want people to buy the book still, but why the name The Power of Pain?
When I was writing this book, I was at a place where I owed my landlord like $260,000. I had no light, I had no water, and I was at a place where I was suicidal. I felt like I wanted to kill myself for one. I didn't see a way out. And I sat on the veranda and I just took up a blank book and I started writing. It was really therapy for me. And the power of pain represents finding, that last drop of inner strength to push forward when giving up is just the easiest thing to do.
Which is what you're trying to tell us.
That is what I want
to get. No matter how tough it might look, there's a way out.
We're in a time now where I see everybody is trying to do this chopping thing for say, life hard, and everybody want to go chop and stuff. So I was trying to be that young man, knowing where I am coming from. I've been locked up 6 times. I'm not a perfect, I'm flawed like everybody else, but I am just trying to be that different, show people that you can go through hardship and not do the chopping and do the you can find a positive way.
I read in the book that your daughter had Bell's palsy. How is she now?
It's something that gradually grows out. At times when she smiles and so forth, and her eye still closes and stuff, and it's something that she is very conscious of. So I have to be like, reassuring her.
But she will, or she can get rid of it?
Yeah, I am trying to get her to a specialist, So I want to sell some books to, get her started out.
So, why? So when you decided that you didn't want to be here anymore, you wanted to kill yourself, how did you come out of that? Who helped you to come out of that, if anyone did? Because you were rejected by so many different people.
To be honest, I am still trying to heal right now.